Hey guys, this is Ramnath back again with a new video. Today we are going to have a video on VLOOKUP function in Excel. Yeah, let's start with the VLOOKUP function in Excel. So let's have a Excel sheet where you can see the details of the data as below. So name, age and gender in 3 different columns. And now we want to look up for a specific name and the corresponding age and gender for this particular name. So for this case, what we can do is we can just use the control F function to find and get the data if it is for one single particular name. But if you want to search for a multiple names, then we can use the very important functionality in Excel, the VLOOKUP. So let's start guys. So these details are their name, age and gender. So let's now start the VLOOKUP. Now I want to see the age of this particular names, Ramnath, Tanvi and Janvi. So what is their age, what is the gender? So this data will be available in the details tab. Now we'll do the VLOOKUP. So let's understand the VLOOKUP. So the VLOOKUP function, as you can see, we need to start with equal. Any function in Excel, you need to start with equal to symbol. So with VLOOKUP, and the first parameter for this VLOOKUP will be the value. Means the value is nothing but the data which you want to search. So here we want to search the name. Okay, for this name we want to search the age and gender. Where are this age and gender are available? It's in the details tab. That's the table array. So we'll select the table array from here. That's nothing but the data from which we want to see. So you can see the data which we are selecting is from column A to C. And then now we want to have the age. So the age is nothing but which is in the second column. So in Excel sheet, the columns starts from 1, 2 and 3. So here we want to find the column age, and that is in second column. So we'll say column number 2. So that's the column index parameter. Finally, we want to see whether we want to do an exact match or we want to do an approximate match. But we want to always do an exact match so that we get the exact result. So what we'll do, we'll select false. Okay, then we close the function and you can see the value here. Now you can see the age has come 6. Okay, and now similarly we can do it for other values. So that there are two ways. You can copy paste for all the respective columns, but or else you can just double click here. So you can see the data has already come for the respective age and for the particular names. Similarly, we can also find the gender. There are two things, like say we can just say Control C and paste. The function will get copied here. Okay, but as you can see, the column it is changed from B2, but it's not B2. So we want to have here A2, and the columns, the table array should be from A to C. Okay, so this is one way of changing the data. Along with the gender column is available in the third column of the Excel sheet. So you can see it's available in the third column. So we will change the column number to 3 here. This is one way of doing this. The other way is just add the dollar parameter here. So dollar, and here also dollar, and here also dollar. So adding this, what will happen is wherever you copy this value, so it will get changed, as you can see. Okay, now as you can see, the value has got changed, since we need to just change the column from where we are going to take the data. But other than that, you can see the parameters for the data which needs to be fetched and the columns remains the same. So this is an easy way so that you can do multiple changes one at a time instead of manually changing each of the column like we did earlier. So guys, so this is the way of finding the data for a particular in a particular column to any other columns. Yeah, so this is how we are going to do it. But the very important thing in VLOOKUP is you need to always have that data which you want to search, that is in the table array, in the first column. Otherwise the particular VLOOKUP will never work. So let's see for a case where the data is available in different columns and still we want to do the VLOOKUP.